Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. Man, that thing was sounding good. What year this is? A 14? 11?
Sounds good. AC don't work though.
Oh, man. There wasn't nothing y'all could do to get the AC right?
We trying right now. He said he put a new compressor on it already, so can't get that bitch to turn on.
And now you got the pipes on it. What is it? It's like rejecting it, it's kicking it out. You're recharging it. Man, you got that big boy screen in there. Oh, the carbon fiber trim. This thing is nice. This thing is nice. Different spoiler. Got some nice wheels on there. That's you right there, boy. That's a good look for you, man. Woo. I like that, man. That thing sound good, man. Yes, sir. That sound good. I'm gonna have Jason them take a look at the tires. See what we can do. See what he think. If I can make them last a little bit longer, I will. I'm definitely gonna wash it up today, but I'm gonna see if he can check on this wheel for me. Man, y'all already know where I'm at, man. I'm in Saginaw. Y'all see the trains running. Y'all see the silos. And y'all know the team, man. The tire store, man. I'm over here. Over at the tire store. I thought something was wrong with the car. It was throwing a code. I came over here. It was showing the check engine light. But I'm over here now. I guess it's not doing that no more. Let me see what's up, man. What you gotta say for my YouTube subscribers, man?
Don't ever sell your 5.0. Don't ever sell it, bro. Biggest regret.
I'm glad you're saying that because I'm doing a Mustang video. My car threw a code. I wanted to see if y'all could check it, see what's up.
Let me get it.
It threw a code, but it went off. Jason here, right?
Yeah, he's right over there. Jason!
Let me see what Jason at, man. Oh, man. What? They got a black guy working here now?
I've been working here this motherfucker about 9-10 years.
What's up, G?
What's up?
Hey, Jason, I see y'all hired a black guy. He the dude that took my job? That's the dude that took my job? Jason gave my job to somebody else named Johnny.
Dude, that fool was been with the company for like 2000.
I ain't never seen it like that. Boy, you can take the lights off too?
No. If you get like the snap-on ones, they have the ones
You
you
get
can
individual?
take off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Man, what you doing on this car?
The timing cover. And I take all this shit off. Just to get the fucking the timing cover off, so I can do regasket it. And it was piston oil.
Yeah. Sound like a lot of work, man. Man, let me see what it's Jason over here doing, man. Oh, you putting that pressure on something, boy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's finna do? Pop a bearing out? You pushing it in? You pushing it in?
Yeah, it's going back in right now.
How you doing today?
Good, bro. How are you?
I'm all right. I brought you Mrs. Tropicana, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'm gonna get back with y'all here in a minute. Yeah.
What you doing with Mr. Tropicana? So, camshaft position timing over retarded bank 1. P0012. What that mean though?
So you got the code. Now we got to just figure out what it is that it means. So it's still throwing that code in.
Mm-hmm.
It's just like the light ain't coming on.
Yeah, it looks like it's not on. The engine light?
No, it was.
Get that out of there.
No copyrighted music.
Right.
Jason, man, don't be slapping in here like you was doing in your Mini Cooper and your Miatas, dog. Cut them 6x9s down, brother.
Got you.
That's why Jason love me, man. Okay. Hey, it don't matter where I go. I'm just trying to put smiles on people's faces, man, because I ain't gonna lie, no matter what you're going through, man, say, it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. See, Jason right now, he been working really, really hard, and people probably think that he could do more than what he really could do. Man, you know, at the end of the day, you only can do what you could do. Don't kill yourself. You know what I'm saying? And that's why I'm just telling them, man, because I know it's a lot running the business.
What's going on?
Trust me.
Hey, y'all, just start shot.
Yep.
Yeah, man. So we're gonna see what this code is, and I'll get back with y'all.
What she looking like?
Lord knows I don't need no car problems right about now.
Hear you on that.
I ain't gonna lie, when that light came on, I was looking like, baby, I'm gonna be good to you. I promise I'm gonna be good to you, baby. Don't put me down, man. Don't put me down. Not right now.
She right where she need to be. So it's either that, or it could be that that position sensor, that camshaft sensor, might be going out on you.
Okay. Is that expensive to fix? Sound expensive.
Everything from Miss Tropicana is expensive.
Man, that's why I be telling my girl, be careful when she drive her.
This ain't no regular GT. This our Mustang. This a GT.
That's premium, man.
So,
Man, my partner that had that Cobra the other day was something serious. I don't know
Yeah?
if you seen my YouTube video, but my partner got a 2020 Cobra.
No, I didn't see that one.
Tune. He running on Flex E85.
E85?
Yes, but he got the option.
He says 2020.
2020. He steady, like that's all he do. He every week he buying something new, intake. His shit built. Oh my goodness, that motherfucker did 150 miles, probably from like before I got to before you leave here, before you get to like Longhorn, damn near 150.
Damn. But you in the car?
Yes.
You was holding on for dear
Man,
life
like a
or what?
motherfucker. I was scared as fuck, bro.
Yeah, them cars like that, they put you in your seat. You be grabbing
Dude.
for shit. You don't even know why.
It felt like the Hulk was grabbing me by my chest and slamming me in the back of the seat. No cap.
Yeah, those are bad motherfuckers right there. So,
I'm talking about.
get to these boys, you gotta take the damn valve cover off. So,
This is the camshaft sensors.
yeah, you got 4 of them. You got 2 over here, 2 over there.
And it's like it's more to take off this side.
Yeah, this side looks like a pitch, right?
So we gotta take off.
Probably the air filter, the housing, and just the valve cover. Hopefully you don't gotta rip the intake off. You can take the valve cover off. Leaving the
I was just
intake
hoping
off.
that wasn't the core packs. So it could be just one of those sensors or it could be
Yeah.
all of them.
I think it's just one. It's only throwing a code for one of them.
So now if I just do one, all the other ones should be straight.
So with that being said, whichever one we do, we probably do both of them on that head.
Okay.
That way, you know, we're not doing one at a time, having to take the valve cover back off, all that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I would recommend on that one, honestly.
All right. So ain't nothing that's gonna blow my motor up though, is it?
No, it's not running real rough or what?
Not really.
No. So what we'll do today, we're just gonna clear it.
Okay.
If that thing comes back on, we're gonna have to look into getting it repaired for sure.
Okay.
'Cause we done check the engine oil level. That's good. So it's got to be one of these sensors probably going out on you.
Okay.
But you said the light turned off, so that's usually a good sign. So
I just hope it was just a glitch. I mean, you didn't see it when you cut it on just now,
no,
and I didn't do nothing to it. I drove it straight to y'all from Keller.
sitting in traffic.
Yeah.
Hey, get that valve cover off.